All across the country, drivers are stranded with nothing more than an email telling them that the company they are driving for is closed and they need to stop working immediately. Some drivers decide to finish their deliveries anyways. Many drivers are stuck trying to find a way home. When your trucking company closes unexpectedly, what do you do? First, make sure you follow your final instructions if the company provides you with any. Secondly, find a way to get home. If you don't have the money to pay for your own way home, there are financial resources out there that may be able to help you. We'll provide a list in this video description. Third, and most importantly, start looking for another job right away. Websites like AllTruckJobs.com are easy to navigate because you can sort through jobs by driver type, freight type, and state. Lastly, while you're in between jobs, look into unemployment. Sometimes you can get ongoing assistance until you find a new job. I know everyone has mixed views on this, but remember that your company closing is not your fault. Don't be ashamed to seek help. For those of you out there who've been through this already, do you have any tips for what drivers should do when their trucking company closes? Drop them in the comments below.